Hello kids, welcome to the new video. I have some colorful bike toys. Today I will show you. Orange color bike toys. This is orange color, orange. Do you know what color is this? This is orange. This is orange color, orange. Do you know what color is this? This is orange color toys. This is orange color, orange. Do you know what color is this? This is orange color bike toys. This is blue color, blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue color bike toys. This is blue color, blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue color bike toys. Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red color bike toys. This is red color, red. Do you know what color is this? This is red color bike toys. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color bike toys. This is yellow color, yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow color bike toys. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green color bike toys. This is green color, green. Do you know what color is this? This is green color bike toys. I have 5 bike toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bike toys and 5 colors. Orange color, blue color, red color, yellow color, green color. Hello kids, we'll be here again with new video. Tata, bye bye.